In today's video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve Hotmail account. Start by going to the Microsoft account recovery page inside your favorite web browser. There, enter your Hotmail email address. It can end with @hotmail.com, @live.com, or @outlook.com. If you remember your password but can't log in, try the standard sign-in page and click Forgot Password. Once you begin the recovery, Microsoft will ask how you want to verify your identity. If you previously set up a recovery phone number or alternate email, you'll be given the option to receive a security code there. Choose your preferred method, then enter the code you receive. If you don't have access to any recovery options, click I don't have any of these. You'll be taken to a form where you must answer questions about your account. This could include your full name, old passwords you've used, subject lines from recent emails, Microsoft services you've used, like Skype or Xbox, and other identifying details. Be as accurate and detailed as possible. If Microsoft is able to verify your identity, you'll receive a link to reset your password and regain access. If not, you may get a message saying the recovery attempt failed, but you can try again. It's best to attempt recovery from a device or browser you've used before with that Hotmail account, as this increases your chances of success. Once recovered, it's highly recommended to update your recovery methods in the security section of your Microsoft account dashboard. You should also enable two-step verification to prevent future issues. If your Hotmail account was inactive for more than 2 years, it may have been deactivated or deleted according to Microsoft's policy. In that case, recovery might no longer be possible, and you may have to create a new Outlook account instead. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.